Hi there. So in this video, we are going to see how to manage cookies on web page with the help of Selenium Java WebDriver. So I have imported Selenium package, Selenium Firefox, Selenium cookie, and Java util set. Now you have these packages. Let's get inside this public static void main method and type WebDriver driver equals to new Firefox driver. After that, driver.get to go to yahoo.com. You can pick any other website of your choice. Once you have that, let's go to create a set called cookie, and let's create set cookies for driver dot manage and then get cookies. Now we have cookies. We can print the size of this cookie. Simply go for size of cookies and then let's point out cookies dot size, and yes, all right. Now we can run this and check out how many cookies that yahoo.com stores on our browser. Pay attention to the console here. Once this page is loaded, you will be able to see the value of cookies being stored. Okay, so size of cookies equals to 4. Now if we want to print out those cookies, then we have to use for loop, and here we're going to type cookie for cookies. Okay, now let's print out system.println for cookie dot get name, and after that we'll have a bit of spacing, and then we will get cookie dot get value, right? And then simply end our print statement. So now once this for loop runs, it will get the name of all the cookies and their respective values. You can add a colon in between them so it will be properly formatted. However, cookies are big string of text, so you won't be able to properly read it. So let's run it and find out. Let me increase the size of this console for now. Okay, so yahoo.com page is loaded. It will show the size of cookies, then rest of the values using for loop. So first it printed the size of cookies, then first cookie and its name and value, second name and value, third name and value, and then name and value again. So this looks gibberish, but our browser session makes use of these cookies for its use. So what if you want to delete all these cookies? For that, you just simply have to use driver dot manage, and then delete all cookies. This will delete all the cookies from our browser. And then if we try to print the size of cookies, then we will get either previous message of 4 or none. So let's find out. Run this project again. Okay, so pay attention to console, what it prints. So it is printing that the size of cookies here, then cookie values, and in last size of cookies again. So it seems that it will retain the previous value of cookies even after deletion, and it will report that because this is stored in cache, so it will retain that old value. So now we know how to work with cookies with the help of Selenium WebDriver for Java.